Hey everybody, and welcome back to Butchie Boom. So, our videos have been going off the charts. The Uber series and the ride share series. They're available here on YouTube and on butchieboom.com. So be sure to check it out, and don't forget to subscribe. We have a lot of videos coming out. With that said, I want to get right to the point. We're going to be talking about the rating system here really quick and briefly. So Uber has their rating system. It's more geared towards Uber Pro. We're going to get into Uber Pro in the next video. We're going to put it out hopefully at the same time, so you guys stick around and subscribe. But even for regular drivers who aren't paying attention to Uber Pro, these numbers matter. So Uber pays attention to your star rating. So they have that system we told you about in the last video, 1 to 5 stars, 1 the worst, 5 the best. They look for you to maintain, after you get situated, an average rating of 4.85% or higher. That means that you're given the majority of between 5 stars and 4-star rides. Okay, not very hard to do. I'll tell you in a minute at the end of the video how to make 5-star rides almost every time. The acceptance rate, 85% or higher. What is acceptance rate? 85%. Keep that number in mind. The acceptance rate is how many times does the Uber app send you a call for a ride that you do not accept, that you just let it cycle out, or you press the X on the upper left-hand corner that says decline. They want you to accept more than 85% of your rides. Okay? The other thing is the cancellation rate. They want you to cancel less than 4% of your rides. Okay? What does that mean? So you've accepted the ride, you realize for whatever the reason you can't get there, you won't go there, for whatever your reason, you decide to cancel the ride. You do that often enough, your rating will start to fall down and flags go up with Uber. Now, I will caution you with this. I know that sometimes in the beginning I would miss a ride, not get the button to work properly, whatever. And sometimes I would swear to you that the Uber app would penalize me for denying, for not accepting rides. And for the 1 or 2 that I had to cancel, I think I got penalized for that too. How did I get penalized? I think I got less calls. And then I had to go out and pay my dues again and keep taking these rides and stuff. So the other thing I want you, that I forgot to tell you about in the 5-star rating video, was, or the video with the stars, is I believe, I can't prove it, but I believe that Uber tends to pair riders with similar drivers who have the similar kind of rating, 4 or 5 stars, that kind of thing. So that may be helpful for you, so you know that, you know, you're getting a rider who hasn't been downgraded for whatever reason by other drivers. And the one last thing I want to tell you about, that I forgot to tell you about in the last video, was that you can rate your riders too on that same scale of 1 to 5. 3, you don't ever want to see them again. 2 or 1, I don't even want to know what they could have possibly done to give you that or deserve that. But 5 and 4, you know, just be, you know, careful with your ratings. You know, if a customer's having a bad day, don't hold it against them over a lousy, oh, they didn't close the door properly, you know, or they slammed the door too hard. You know, life is life. With that said, happy driving. I hope you're having a great time. We're having a blast doing these videos. I really hope you subscribe. Follow us along on our website too at butchieboom.com. Every last one of our videos are up there. So if you can't get back to YouTube, go there. And check out our very next video, because we're going to be talking about Uber Pro. And that's a good thing, folks. I can't wait for you to hear about it. Take care.